Hello friends, myself Vaibhav Singh and I all welcome to on Jan Kranti Sangh. Today topic was on election politics, so we can discuss about who make our government in center in Lok Sabha election. So these 6 states have majority of Lok Sabha seats. So in Lok Sabha total seat was 543 and majority was 272. First UP with 80 seats, second Maharashtra with 48 seats, third West Bengal with 42 seats, and fourth Bihar with 40 seats, fifth Tamil Nadu 39 seats, and sixth Karnataka with 28 seats. So total is 277 seats, which cross the majority of 277, and we can talk about in percentage. So they share 51% in Lok Sabha seats. If any party win 50% seats in these states, so 139 seats they win, and 60% if any party wins 60% seats in these states, so 166, and 70% was 193. So these 6 states UP, Maharashtra, West Bengal, Bihar, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka known as Kingmaker, and UP known as Kingmaker and big brother of Lok Sabha, because UP have 80 Lok Sabha seats. The best example of these Kingmaker states, the previous Lok Sabha election in 2020 was the best examples, and in India politics the many example in history, but we can discuss the latest example, previous example in Lok Sabha, so the people understand. In UP, Maharashtra, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, India Alliance win more seats and NDA rose in these states. So NDA have majority, but BJP in UP, BJP rose in UP, Maharashtra, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu. So that's why BJP not get majority. But in Bihar and Karnataka, NDA wins more seats than India Alliance lose in both states, Bihar and Karnataka. So that's why India Alliance not form a government. If India Alliance wins more seats in Karnataka and Bihar, so I think they form a government. So by losing UP, West Bengal, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, BJP not get majority. If India Alliance win more seats in Karnataka, so they recover the loss in Andhra Pradesh. In Andhra Pradesh, the NDA have good performance. So if India Alliance win Karnataka, so they recover the Andhra Pradesh. And in Bihar, India Alliance fall because of Nitish Kumar famous CM face. Nitish Kumar is the CM of Bihar, the good and stone and famous face, CM face in Bihar with NDA Alliance. So because that's why India Alliance lose in Bihar, because of famous CM face Nitish Kumar. Why BJP rose the Kingmaker state except Bihar and Karnataka? Why lose? Except because in any states have a strong CM face or famous leader, BJP always fail. Yes, if any states have strong and famous CM face in opposition, so BJP never win in these states. For example, UP have Akhilesh Yadav and Rahul Gandhi, Maharashtra have Uddhav Thackeray, West Bengal Mamata Banerjee known as Mamata Didi, in politics. Their supporters called Mamta Didi, and Tamil Nadu was MK Stalin. So these four states, UP, Maharashtra, West Bengal, and Tamil Nadu have stone and famous CM faces. That's why BJP rose in Lok Sabha elections. But BJP also have CM face in UP, Yogi Adityanath. The two main CM faces, first Akhilesh Yadav, as second was Yogi Adityanath, current CM of Uttar Pradesh, and Bihar have Nitish Kumar, so that's why NDA win in Bihar. If India Alliance win in Bihar, Karnataka, and more seats in UP, 43 seats, I think 43 seats, India Alliance win in. Second language, BJP top leaders only know Hindi and Gujarati and sometimes English. So India Alliance advantage of states where no Hindi speaking states, advantage of India Alliance like Punjab and South Indian states Jammu Kashmir and Sikkim. Third, ideology in Punjab, Jammu Kashmir and Sikkim and South India states. BJP never win in these states because they have different ideology. BJP only have a Hindu ideology, but in Punjab, Jammu Kashmir, Sikkim and South India states have opposite ideology from BJP ideology. In Punjab, mostly Sikh population. In Jammu Kashmir, by huge Muslim population. That's why BJP not win in both states. And talk about South Indian states, the barrier of language, Hindi versus South Indian language. So BJP can never win in these states by their ideology and language ideology. But India Alliance have very big advantage of opposite ideology and language barrier because Congress have more leaders in these states than BJP. So thank you so much guys. So more topics on politics and election and news. So please subscribe the Jan Kranti Sangh. Thank you so much.